Hi, I'm Shirlene Johnston with eXp Realty All Points North Group, and this is a segment of what the heck is there to do in Parry Sound anyway? And today we are at Tower Hill, and we are going to climb all the way up there. Wish us luck. See you on the flip side. That's the halfway point. We're almost there. Whew, that was quite a climb. Was it worth it? I don't know. You tell me. So if you're looking for something to do in Parry Sound and you want to combine it with a little bit of exercise, climbing the fire tower on Tower Hill is an excellent option. There's also lots of beautiful gardens for you to stroll, lovely places to sit and have a snack or some coffee, and the museum's here as well. Lots to do in Parry Sound. Have a great day, everyone.